Hey there, this is Simran from Simran Al's Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So here we are again with a speaking interview with one of my students. So आज ऐसे speaking interview conduct करने जा रहे हैं with one of my favorite students, Gagandeep Singh. So let's begin. My name is Simran Kaur. I'm your speaking examiner for the IELTS speaking examination. I would ask you question in 3 parts and you have to answer all the 3 parts. I would record your speaking for the marking purposes. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So what is your good name?
My full name is Gagandeep Singh.
How may I address you?
It would be nice if you call me with my first name Gagan.
Alright, Gagan. So tell me something about you. Where do you belong to?
I come from a small town, Patna, which comes under district Patiala.
Alright. Can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, definitely. My hometown is quite interesting place to live, and we have got a lot of facilities over there. Like we have one shopping mall which was constructed recently, and we have also some schools and like hospitals as well.
Alright. So talking about shopping, what kind of shops can be found in your hometown?
You can find always like all type of shops in my hometown, whether it is a grocery store or like computer shops, so you can find every kind of shops over there.
Alright. Are computer shops quite popular in your hometown?
Definitely in my hometown, as far as I know, most of the people use computer for the different purpose, so there are a lot of computer shops in my hometown. Even one of them is really close to my house.
Alright. Do you use a computer?
Yes, obviously I use computer for my study purpose, and apart from that I also use computer for transferring the data. Yes, I use computer.
When you learn to use a computer?
When I used to study in my school, at that time I took some computer lessons from my teacher, and apart from that I also joined one computer academy from which was close to my house.
Alright. So other than you, is there any other family member who use a computer?
Yes, apart from me, my father also uses the computer. Actually, he's a photographer and he uses the computer for many purposes, like for the editing purpose.
What are some computer programs that are quite famous?
If I talk about in my hometown, many softwares like MS Office and Tally, so these kind of softwares are really popular among the people.
Are computers popular among youngsters?
Obviously yes, as nowadays youngsters do their studies online, so that's why computers are very popular. Apart from studying, they also use computer for playing games as well.
Have you ever played a game on computer?
Yes, a lot. I have always been interested in playing computer games. I used to play GTA San Andreas, which was one of my favorite games in my childhood.
Do you think youngsters spend too much time on computers?
I believe, yeah, youngsters spend a lot of their time on computers, like using games and playing games, so they waste a lot of their precious time on using computers.
Alright, so let's talk about children's. Do you like to spend time with children's?
I love playing with children because I can share my feelings, because they are quite, like you can say, they are very mature. They are not mature and they do not know about other things, so they just play with you without any greed.
Alright, so what activities do you do when you are with children?
Whenever I am with my nephew and niece, I always play like badminton, and apart from them, as I mentioned, that youngsters spend most of their time on computers, so I always play some computer games with them, and they enjoy really playing with me.
Alright, so that is the end of your part 1. Now in part 2, I will provide you with one topic. You will be given 1 to 2 minutes to speak about that topic, and I will give you 1 minute to prepare for that topic. So here is your topic. I would like you to speak about a website you have bought something from. You can use paper and pen if you want to, and your time starts now. All right. You should speak now. Your time starts now.
As we know that the technology is increasing day by day, and we have got a lot of like a lot of websites, whether if I talk about the shopping sites or whether educational sites. But if I have to talk about one website and I bought something from, then definitely I will talk about the Amazon. Actually, I had been planning to buy a new iPhone for many years, so that's why I chose this website. Actually, I remember almost 2 months ago, one of my friends called me that Amazon has started Big Billion Day just because of the Diwali offer. So that's why I decided to buy a new iPhone from that. Even I was really shocked to see that the prices of phones have dropped a lot, and even I did not tell my father and mother that I'm going to buy a new phone. So as I mentioned that I bought a new iPhone from that. So I chose that website because there was not any shipping cost on it. So it was delivered me free of cost within few days. Firstly, they told me that your device will be delivered to you after 14 days. But after few days, I received an email that your device has reached at your doors. So I was really shocked to see that I received an iPhone within just 40,000. Even the real price was quite high. And if I when I visited the iPhone store, so actually I like all the things about this website. The one thing which I dislike is that there was not any option available for the cash on delivery. You know, there are a lot of frauds can be happen on the shopping sites whenever you buy something. So that was the only thing which I dislike about that website. So that was the time when I used one website to buy something.
All right. So, as we were talking about a website that you used for purchasing some items, so I would like to ask you some question related to online shopping. So, what things people often buy from these online shopping websites?
If I talk about in my country, people do not have confidence to buy something from the online sites. Like as I mentioned, that they are always afraid that there can be some mishappenings, like somebody can steal their banking details. So if I talk about those who prefer to buy things from the sites, definitely they buy some like clothes or shoes. Apart from that, people are also buying some phones from these sites because they have a lot of variety over there.
All right. So, why these websites are quite popular among youngsters?
I would say there is a less time consumption because you do not have to spend a lot of time to visit shop to shop and check the prices and the quality. So that's why I think that the consumption of less time is the main reason. That's why online shopping sites are becoming so popular. So because people have a lot of variety, people can use a lot of options by sitting at their home. So that's why these sites are becoming popular.
All right. So, other than these advantages, what are some possible disadvantages of purchasing things online?
There is no doubt that every coin has two sides. There are also some possible disadvantages, like somebody can steal the banking details, and sometimes your product can be delivered too late. So that is also a disadvantage, I believe.
All right. So, do you think prices of goods that are sold online should be lower than the goods that are sold offline?
They should be because when you buy something from the online shopping sites, the product is delivered to your house directly from the warehouse. So there is not any like extra cost on the, like they don't have to pay to their employees too much. However, whenever you buy something from the physical shops, so there are a lot of expenditures that one owner has to pay, like they have to pay for the rent, they have to pay for the bills like electricity bills. So that is why I believe that prices of goods should be cheaper on the online sites than shops.
All right. Considering the popularity of online websites, do you think shopping malls continue to be popular in the future?
I agree with that although people are following more online sites, but still shopping malls have their own importance because that is the only place when people can visit with their family and they can purchase a lot of things under the one roof. So definitely shopping malls will remain popular in the future as well.
Okay. So, are there any businesses which will only operate online in the future?
I don't think so. As I believe that every work is done on the internet, so all the works will use the internet. So like for example, we can take the example of banking. Nowadays, if you have to transfer money, you have to use the internet. So every work will depend on the internet, I believe.
All right, so that is the end of your speaking part. Thank you.
Thank you.
So after the interview, I would say कि candidate ने pronunciation features ਨੂੰ like intonations ਨੂੰ ਕਾਫੀ ਅੱਛਾ यूज़ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ. However, I consider कि जो vocabulary ਦੀ usage ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਸੀਗੀ, but fluency and cohesion was quite well, as well as grammatical range and accuracy ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਛੀ ਸੀਗੀ. So due to natural or unnatural hesitation ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ band score deduct ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ fluency ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, I would say ਕਿ candidate ਨੂੰ definitely exam ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 7+ band score ਮਿਲਣਗੇ. Let's see ਜਦੋਂ result ਆਏਗਾ. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the like button as well as press the bell icon to get notified about my videos. Thank you. All the best.